economy na atete aprapansam before asena Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia and then another Akufo Addo Ken Ofori Atta and the entire MPP government eba besi from no na wo minor ni status eda junk status na wo minor ko junk ya ka junk ade atete apro na apansam ade a na wodi ya hwe kura enye ye bio eba ne yensika semu a enti wo be hwa edu ba bi no na wo mining this guy to the extent say e wo say emrewane nkokora na wo maye omuguma wie na wo makwakọ tenafia wo makototo bond kakra wa ban ho se nko mo de ho mfaso no ebetonuro eni nuane ahwe mo ho wo bra wo manyim no o man Ghana sikasem ana economy ni tete pansam kodu ba bi a na wo se Akufo Addo Bawumia eni Ken Ofori Atta ban no wo mo de by force ejin kokora yi eni mrewa nyina sika ama ebi nyina fa ho behwere wo mo nkwa eno na te say ye junk status ano my Ghana kodu ni say o my Ghana economy no asia ba back to B- egusu a efa na ntima pa bibi efra enti say excellency the president John Dramani Mahama wa ba be ka sensem we nyina na wo mo so mo nim say yampa sa na bibia tie ana ama say wo my Ghana bibiara aye boko o my no say ye peniya e wo se nyina ye kwadwen kromu na ye ko ben kromu na ye yese ye bedo no kra de akere ye ho etisi ye hu se ade we nya ye nyina ye be ka no kra ne de akere ho se sa ade we enye na se ankoba ne sa na because of political power na abribia no ye be ma timamufo hu se ade we kra de bon enye mo bia anko because ye opposition to say the MPP for yes say no a I am sorry to say on my way e wo kwantintin twa but the ya na eye me depi ni say Ghana for dodo na sesia no wo ma wu nsoso ye kakraka eda MPP ni NDC for ntem bebre na hunu especially this second term of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the president Ghana for bebre hunu because you're the 8 years as a MPP in Samo Ken Ofori Atta na wako parliament na wako kind yen budgeter and men me dinner chinkwa ko be 50 they were protecting Ken Ofori Atta to say na odi ahini kese bi okromu ha or be kind budget nti and upon all this budget asempa na ye e de adwuma ba odo from here Ken Ofori Atta eye yini nyina no hwe ekatwetwe die MPP jato ho da bia me ka kire mo se ensem ni bi wo ho a wo ho de ye nim de mpanifo bi akama yate de MPP fo aye no se ye kase ye kan nyina wo afidie so a enya sem papa yemfa ana we o NDC ni me o from NDC ni amani beje pa because etetiru ni akuku danfo eni onyamfo na wo sa party no wo mo adwene wo man Ghana ho wo mo pese wo mo hwe se wo man ne be fa ntima pa bi di afura and this for ankrofobia wo mo di bone kura no a wo mo san dwene ho ha wo mo nti se MPP fo a Bawumia be betimi aba ka kire wo man Ghana fo nyina se wakwakoye Paulugu Dam ediama onu ane regional baby about northern region baby about Bawumia fi Bawumia twa wo montro Bawumia twa northern region tro after $11.9 million asane bottom wadi sika no Bawumia swala wadi sika no not ness mumisa the flybearer of the MPP now de premature flybearer premature enu ba yanko piama no by force because wo kokoko baby anya ne ye fa na ne yewu etiyen by force ye fa flybearer anko se Bawumia nsa na ye bisano eye Paulugu Dam 11.9 million no wanya amane ye te no a ne yakoso kire diplomat ne international community say NDC for ache flybearer na omo pese omo mia yenkon na womo nko di oman so. That is the plan of the MPP. Anunti and for the first time in the Fourth Republic, MPP for a presidential election and some of Mubako Shase wo police station. Anuntia se munim eniyema akoso. Se munim ekwanya MPP amanyoko ananado dan Kwaku Addo dianim na Bawumia bo na chidom na Ken Ofori Atta be fa yensikasem. Se munim kwanya the MPP di oman Ghana afaso a anka wo sori bia no a ubeko Akoto danim sei na wo bompa ye say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama onyankopon ma na ngode ebi nsida wo ma na ho bambo na fe mpanifu a wa ndisi mu abayi mu wo bibiara wo ye adwuma de aboa no sa bambo ne bi nko so me I know and I believe so much in His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say before I will be see from wobra wadi ni mrewie no wo man Ghana enti de atibioda because he has the chance to do that. Enti de oyiye no ni enya me nwanwa na what the $10 billion aba ye fa ye big push adwuma akwanye wo o man Ghana hanyina all the 16 regions yempe a major road say connect na ebema kwan mu oda ho oye. And then was Asante region, Eastern, Upper East, Upper West, water, and you fa, you will be a big push yakano project akano. Yeah. Maybe we'll Kwabena ya. If we don't make Kwabena, a tramufa comics, a Kwabena Ketase, me a make coverage 2018-2019. I will break usu kwana so. Domi Kwabena comment break usu kitase. Na fe we wure Kwabena mu. Me nkasa me ko odefo 14 kranche nchen. Wono no ye break usu ma hene. Ana wo ye Kwabena nyina atwafo hene. Wo hene mi bodi a na mama mu so. Meni wo hene ko di nkomo. O se obrempon sa na wo kani o. Wo di book ya ba abrame. Wo se wo ba ba ye kwan no. Mokwana mokwa breku su kwan no na MPP for me yes coverage ni ye no ma fe video no mo dey to mo various platforms so you see year of rose ye breku su kwan no mokwana mokwa these are the kind of people abibia ye pese ye twa won fo ni nchira wo any politics as usual no ya metina fidi kese so amatum futu mu wani hwempanifo kese asabre mu hwa djumadi yi panifo asofo ahemfo opinion leaders panifo akoku dametitiri ana djumadi minim samohwe ya bedi ni abetum futu agumani da bia mese meka na mekoso akase Ghana ka chile ya ne Malaysia Yane Singapore and independent the same year. Oh my Ghana, Yane Malaysia and Singapore. We had Independence Day the same year, 1957. And then Malaysia and then Singapore. This I was a Ghana by a dempo or the water to send Korean. And Wamayi Achia Aka. O my Ghana ni growth a retarded a hoti na entimin ko nanim no aya amanyoko bi a yafra no NPP the New Patriotic Party me say nkruma si akoso modam wo mo tro letter ko ma brofo no say nkruma sika na dam kese asa no ya de yeden wo my Ghana ketekete bi the NPP they did it nkruma motorway the MPP tro letter ma brofo no say enkruma de cement na ye kwan na omo wiase wo mo wuru bi da see the cement ye kwan MPP Brana Jerry John Rollins every so the year 2000 Sabato no ye nyina ne ye tuamu bi adebeti na fu da ha adebeti na obi awu da ha adebeti na obi awu da ha no mako radio so hey and one is a vampire and one moja and I should the NDC for ye shenipo omekuom womu de saa and omudi benya to me 2000 efunu a wodu a womu de begu abonten a womu pene ne bebi efunu da womu kire no Ghana ni bia ni wa wo baye we ya me maame mo fa no mamara mi nkosie no we ya me papa we ya me nia ye nya wo bi biara only up to any corps bia na da bonten at the end of the day efunu na da bonten nyina side disappear MPP amanyo ko no adie bia ebua na oman Ghana afa ne ntuma pa bi di afura eyade a wo mu chi wo mu mpe etitema oil family na Kwame Nkrumah siye ana ye adwuma no MPP betena so esati tema oil family down at the my party faithful sir no mu kwabroche kokra refine products petrol diesel no more be store with tema oil family tour. The later part in 2024 MPP for say turn this one kra na ehun for so ni o man Ghana it come to mo be $22 million MPP amanyoko me say until say ye be wonu say agrepa ba omutrim until say ye be wonu say MPP for wo mo betimi abu o man Ghana hanum say Ghana ni biara a ebedu bra ye to aba now be sorry say wo ko no wakwa to aba ma MPP no wo manyi ensio wo manyi nsase ana koye ensio na yemu galamsey ensio MPP for party yeska for wo mo di excavators epo gumu wo to me nimri forest na otchere forest ni bi ma China for no nko say dibi na wakotena TV so na wo yi gold na de kire me want to be mu ye gold amewo me want to be mu ye gold amewo ni nyina na your mind no mo sign wo enai abanya ba ya chiwu to me adiboni a wo ye no womra no wanyi huo no yenya MPs are led by the minority leader Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin and Nantifi Mnasebe Brana government business ekoswo ekwotina from Yoko MPP for Ajibusia or Exim Bank Honorable Dr. Kasela Ato Forson Finance Minister for listening about to Gamma Ghana for no more shadie Exim Bank alone the MPP faithfuls I one more G bank loan or Exim Bank yabubo kire wa obesu yabubo kire wa okuma bete hwe maslock abide by say one more ye new market nkete no one mo ngi loans wo no mo fan support MPP for to go to say wam led by the minority leader Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin wakoji 500,000 Ghana cedis or the futu for gozi awa Afenyo Markin enei wokasa the day ana say macroeconomic stability eno etodiane na mo national cathedral na mo de $100 million esi ye no honorable eno na etodiane Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin wo bo police ni asumu no eno ediane si table so Bawumia adi osi wo de $11.9 million akosi pa olugu dama dam bia ni wono etadiane magana for the year fuel could do 23 cedis per liter and the milk go Ghana for no and the milk go Ghana for no one district one factory see district see factory for every district and then Mumfa camera. Any people vote say one district, one factory. And so this goes to one district, one factory. 2024, the MPP wanted to pass a tax waiver of over $350 million to this ghost one district, one factory. We shall list in more, $7 million, $5 million, $12 million. And yet the same people, the same members of parliament, the same party face force, and I was says I want this to have yeti. It in Kase NDC MPs Tinam Nasebegem and Omujitu Muno passes our tax waiver noir. And can't be before the Siaji on my way $350 million in December send your twaba. Ghana City no. Afan and Tima Pebiefra, none who ayeding. Na waka say sikani kitawa wutimi de tony mama wa won se waniaje because sidi na hoden epeje ni mu a all other currencies say ye pound say ye dollar say ye euro sidi no gina ho a woni omo ko ye tipenkro yie pa wo mani sikasem e fa na ntema pa bi na ode efra na wo wie na oka se wono isasalasi John Dramani Mahama any NDC abanya wo mo ti abanwa mu sesia no dollar no woman chino woman for handcuffs and dollar ninsa amfa na nkwanko she prison amfa kina ma IGP eye Christian tete yohunu sade emire bi yohunu ye na eye Alhaji Bawumia no ye head of the economic management team no say the vice president of the Republic of Ghana na wo be fa dollar free eye 4 Ghana cedis 2017 na ansa woba bewie ne term as vice president head of the economic management team and flag bearer of the MPP no now what the dollar no every 4 cedi aba bedru 17 Ghana cedi a sabre no na upe dollar e de juma na ubire yie pa eno Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia de kache Ghana fo nyina se wono the economic wastegate economic wizard, economic pumpkin. Ti Bawumia dia huduo ni nyina wa economy mu a actually we dwane free economy ho be de man no a wo se wo che dollar no enso dollar ni break jenu his excellency the president said that be wo mo de omo nche dollar no na mom omo ye sidi ni ho adwuma wo ma pe kwan bi so aye Ghana sika no ho adwuma ma se sika no value abem sika na ho de agina so ama all other major currencies be to say euro, pound, dollar and other currencies no sabre sidi no no matia gina wo mo ku popo na is sidi no na ho de ngusu gina kwa so a ebe ye pa enya asem ketwa it is excellency say wo mo arrested dollar bi aye na mom eye Ghana sika sidi no ana wo mo den sese patokwam atimi adwira no masidi na fa na ho de pa bi de afira sabre edi nkunim wo other currencies so yanto agimedie no so ewo eye his excellency the president ne nsemo a ene wo de akwakoto dwa ewo mrase bedwem no se wati na nsen ya ebi kolebu board chair a wo ho Dr. Professor Tatobeyo abepa chaw ewo no bed syndrome a wo bi yade ne kolebu a wanya mpanda so na owuye Dr. abepa chaw na enye kolebu nko most of the government hospitals bed ni wo bed ubedu bed nya bed nko a eniema nke betimi ama se wo hospital a yebetima je nkwantem ana yebedi behwe no bebre eni ho his excellency the president said that be yentimi fa saa ade ne ntina wo man Ghana ha yentimi ntina wo man yimu a wo bi be hospital a ne ho adodo no a wo pe ba bia da ne yedi nsu asini so yedi moja asini so waje na ho mekakra na ya wo ne panie na ne ho atimi ato no anu numunuo na nka wa ba fie no yedu ose bed ni wo apemfo kwakwo wo na wo mo deda form no mo wo kese ensam your how me no ka say wada to the Ministry of Health say eni manim ya kwan bia wo mo befa so a wo betimi endi no bed syndrome no eno ni jumadi a waka kire wo mo nkodi ho juma yenche his excellency the president wo bra no wo ka sensemi ni
The Ministry of Health is expected to issue guidelines to eliminate the unacceptable no-bed syndrome. Patients facing medical emergencies must be received and given help, if even under makeshift conditions. You don't need to have a comfortable bed to save a patient. No patient must be turned away from any health facility they report to.
His Excellency the President, what Ninsemwa, Wadiaka Ediafa no-bed syndrome, in directive Wadiama said the health ministry, Emomodino, one shall say, Sanya Marina to Betimiacha, na se Ghana ni, and now Bibia Wukrumwa, say, walk no Wakwaja, Ewo Ayar Sabia, Ubetimia baby or Bedai, Beshano, na ne 20 ye, now if you waiting, sorry, Edia couldn't fee. Again, His Excellency the President, Wako teacher for us, was it a I was say what they as you say be wakwem na teacher for enye ni da so nya resemu hu say adwuma wo mo ye no eye adwuma eboa wo man Ghana enti aban no so won say ye pa bi e de teacher for enti Excellency the President say teachers common fund eno aba e ba beboa a teacher for e wo akonia sa nyina so ye hwe Excellency the President wo bra no wo kasa for dia for teachers common fund no ho emra.
Housing Initiative is a joint effort involving district assemblies, common fund, get fund, NATS, and GESOPs. And the aim is to build 50,000 housing units for teachers. This initiative is called the Teacher Dabre, Baby Teacher Beda. This partnership demonstrates our collective dedication to enhancing teachers' living conditions and boosting the retention of teachers, especially in rural and remote areas, and ensuring that teachers can live, work, and retire with dignity and security. Mr. Speaker, by prioritizing equitable access and expanding infrastructure, we're investing in human capital and laying the foundation for a Ghana where every child can learn, grow, and succeed.
So His Excellency Sempa wono so wa bebe kan say teachers common fund na eba no eba beboa ama teacher for afeyo mo be retirement kro mo yamon hyehyem because e dwumadi a e de ne pa bebre every teacher for na mo mani da so no mahunu say dwuma a wo mo ye so mfa so a esum wo man Ghana no aban we say nya dia ne we efi mo da o won hyehyem pa e de mamo na mu behunu sampa madwuma mo ye no eso mfa so a wo man ni nya no eno no mo fa so ahwe ayen hyehyem pa de ama teacher for na fe going forward mahunu say teacher dwuma no e be don krofo bebre konkra na o maye because aban no e de hyehyem pa bebre e de agu e de amamo nene de ya time a o mampani John Dramani Mahama wo kasa wo mra sebedwem no na chanta sorry majority maso the asempa nabo 24-hour economy na minority asom na wo so mukuta koko na wo ma se tuntum ana wa ti yesika so na wa ti yesika so chese yanko mra sebedwem ni yanko hwa abra minority ni majority na sorry na wo mo chante wo bra His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama na wo dey a State of the Nations address to do mra sebedwem yen hwemra na enjoy me dey nso.
Honorable members. Honorable members.
Nti dia esi wo mrase bedwam nie dom kuma ne dom kese ne ntem wo bra excellency the president wo eko eye mrase bedwam no the state of the nation's address eko na fe wo de akokoto wo man Ghana fo nyina anim na MPP fo mi bisa enti wan kokko na makwakoto tete ne sa no munya kokko no wai igrofo na MPP fo gutia o mu kokko mu ne da ho no yanka sa obete so ene down no na NDC for so ekuta eye Ken Ofori Atta the former finance minister sabre ne ho akoka nsensanie mu ewo America obroni kromu a woda afiase enam niema bi a ankoyie ewo ne side nti na dom kase no so kuta ne picture no mo so moto ne dawo no yanka so bedwane ne dawo no na womo pachira na chese eye Ken Ofori Atta na ya kuntunkunuku ano ye o mayi finance minister anda na Akufo Addo and Mahamadu Bawumia MPP regime no we gane if your mind Ghana nimu a sabe ye frɛ no kura womma enti chante koso ane ye bo ede kyerɛ mo no na dumadi ni nyina ko na wie ye wo bra omampani John Dramani Mahama ede na no di sem nyina atoja wie no ana minority yebisa wo say omampani John Dramani Mahama ni state of the nation's address or the two no den na omodom kuma wo mo woka ho yehwe video ni na nsem omo ka ni nkotie bi mra.
The cocoa farmers, they have reduced producer price and Erikopoku cannot be found. They don't care about cocoa farmers and they are here telling us inflation, macroeconomics is a bedi. Macroeconomics is a bedi. Mr. Speaker, galamsey continues. Ghanaians continue to suffer under this galamsey hardship, and we expect concrete action to be taken on galamsey. Mr. Speaker, to conclude, our elders say, give credit where credit is due. The President is telling us today that some gains have been made. Those gains through this goal for reserve. Mr. Speaker, the goal for reserve policy, what they have failed to tell Ghanaians is that the Bawumia that they attacked, Mr. Speaker, the Bawumia that they attacked, the Bawumia that you attacked is the brainchild of this policy. Mr. Speaker, I would want to urge the government, give to Bawumia what belongs to Bawumia.
Honorable Alexander Afenyo Marken wano eye dom kumano ban dani wano asan ye na se bedwani de ma the people of eye efutu ana wote se wakasa ne se enei His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama was say economy na ye macroeconomy eye economic stability ejina ne na so na macroeconomy eno ni ebedi kola na hia adwuma wo mu hia sei na mampani wu ka sei eti no wo de wo mu hunu bibia ewo ensem a o mampani John Dramani Mahama elebetu dwanum bibia ni wa asesa eti no eye pe na majority for no nso ye bisa wo o mampani John Dramani Mahama oba beka sawie majority say na musumu hunu ensem a o mampani elebetu dwai ye hwa momra wo bra wo so mde o manu disem to dwa.
I want to thank His Excellency, the President John Dramani Mahama, for his leadership. Ghanaians are very grateful to you. Mr. Speaker, it is obvious that the Ghana you inherited and the Ghana you speak of today is like day and night. The Ghana you inherited is as dark as the dark dresses that they are wearing on the other side. And the Ghana you speak of today is clearly as bright as the white dresses that we are wearing on this side. Mr. Speaker, clearly, everything that you have said here is true. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Afenyo will attest to that. He will attest to the fact that the big push is pushing through Winneba steadily.
Dom kase no ba no dani Honorable Mahama Yariga ana wono nso sorry ya odi na no disem etugwa ewo ensem a His Excellency and State of the Nation address a ene yi omampani John Dramani Mahama wo bo mode no kopie mu na hye bedwem na afi odi na no disem etugwa.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.